Hello, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay, so this is the general reading. So the messages will be each and every message will not be resonating with each and every one. So I will let you know the different kind of messages, but take the messages wisely and according to your situation. Okay, so we will start for the weekly reading for the water signs Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay, this is the group reading I am going to do for the water signs Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus water sign Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Please universe, please God, let us know what is in the coming week for the water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, this is for the week of 13 July to the 20 July 2020. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will take one advice card for you and I will let you know the affirmation for you. Okay, okay, the first card is Magician. Very good. The second card is Eight of Swords and the third card is Three of Wands. Okay, okay, you are manifesting for your dreams. Okay, you have the all the tools in your hand. Okay, so you are able to, you are focusing on the manifestation. Okay, so we will see why the Eight of Swords in reverse. Why the Eight of Swords in reverse? I think you are coming out of the illusion, mental distress or mental cloudiness, lots of thoughts in your mind. You are coming out of that. Okay, so again we will take one clarifier for that. Okay, let us know why the Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay, Justice, because you are able to see that justice is going to be served in your way. Okay, very good. Why the Three of Wands is here? Why the Three of Wands is here? Whatever you was manifesting, it is coming true. Okay, justice is in your way, you are getting the justice. Okay, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands in reverse, Eight of Pentacles and the Judgment card in reverse. Okay, and bottom of the deck is Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, I think there are some career issues, so finance issues. So you were manifesting, your desired job, your desired career, your desired business. Okay, and you are in a very good energy that you are coming out of the illusion that okay, you are coming out of the illusion, you are able to see the reality. Okay, you are not feeling stuck. Okay, your intuitions may be telling you that justice will be served to you. Okay, but still uh, you are in indecision, you are planning, analyzing the things, but it is not in action. Okay, all the things are not in action. Okay, that's why the Ace of Wands is in reverse. Okay, or maybe it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time for the your desired result. Okay, you have to do the hard work. You have to do the hard work, then only you will be served by the justice. Okay, but don't judge the situation. See, cards are telling you, don't judge the situation, that if this is not this is not going to happen, and why should I keep going on working hard and this way. Okay, don't judge. You just focus on yourself. This guy is doing the creative work, so you might be focusing on your creativity, your hobbies. Okay, and this might be helping you out to increase your finance. Okay, see, the pentacles are adding up. Okay, so he is busy, so keep busy yourself in your work, don't focus on other things. Okay, and it is a very good thing that you are already coming out of the illusion and stuck energy. So focus on the things right now, do your work. Okay, don't judge the situation that it will not be work, it will going to work. But please continue your manifestation, continue your manifestation, justice will be served. Okay, so the right now you might be not thinking, you might be not able to see the all the results or all the desired money. You are thinking that this much amount you should get, and this is not, you are not able to get this. But don't do that. Okay, this is for the current situation. This might be when your hard work, after some time your hard work will be paid to you. Okay, that's what the card is telling you, justice will be yours. Okay, very good. So I will pull advice card for you from the unicorn deck. What is the advice for the water sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces? Okay, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay, Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. Okay, see, focus on yourself and do what are you are doing. Okay, creatively, in a peace. Okay, without any judgment, without any conflict. Okay, that's what the advice is for you from the Archangel Uriel. Become a peace ambassador, be in a peace. Okay, put your mind in peaceful, busy in peaceful things. Okay, and your work may be your work may be the peaceful thing for you. Okay, and for the bottom of the deck is intuition. Listen your intuition, wisdom. So focus on your intuition, what you want from your inner voice. What are the intuition? Listen to your intuition. That's what the unicorns and universe is telling you. Please focus on your intuitions. Okay, it will help you to sort it out all the questions and help you to manifest the things, because you have all the tools in your hand. Okay, you have all the tools in your hand. So focus on manifestation. This is the card from the universe is with you. Okay, blessings will be served. You have, the God has been given you blessings, and justice will be done. But you have to just focus on your intuition. Listen to your intuition, what you're supposed to do, what your mind is telling you. Okay, and be in a peace. Okay, so now I will tell you the affirmation for this week. Archangel Uriel. So the number of the card is 38. Okay, which is 11, which is a good number, which will try to bring you the happiness. Okay, or some people might be having the life path number 2. Okay, and this is the 1 5, that is the 6, which will be the balance. Yeah, the justice. Okay, the scale will be get balance. Okay, you just focus on your creativity and your hard work. Okay, so the affirmation I will let you know. I sprayed peace today. Okay, you have to do this affirmation, that I sprayed peace today. Okay, you should be happy from within and spread your happiness to around. Okay, and the affirmation is I spread peace today. Okay, spread that peace of mind to everyone. Okay, that will bring your energy level up, and your vibration will get raised, so that you can focus on your work more and more creatively. You will do the things, and justice will be done. Okay, so the second affirmation for you is it is safe to act on my intuition. Okay, don't doubt on your intuition. Some people are doubting their intuition, and they are just hesitate to start the things, hesitate to do the things, even though they have everything in their hand. See, magician has everything in his hand. He can do anything what he want, but just he has to trust his or her intuition. Then only the things will be happen, then only the desired results will be gained. Okay, so your second affirmation is it is safe to act on my intuition. It is safe to act on my intuition. You have to do this affirmation again and again, so that you will be feel trustworthy on your intuition, and you will be peacefully working, focusing on your work. Okay, so very good. This was your reading, water sign, for the week 13 July 2022 20 July 2020. So if the messages are resonating with you, and if you have getting any answer from my reading for your question, then please let me know in my comment section, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.